Welcome back to the channel, everyone. We are racing on Shorty out of Sydney, Australia, and this is Vantastic 2021. NZ Racing, Heat 20. What do you reckon about tonight's lineup?
Good evening, Hot Car Track. I've got a nice little statistic to share with you. You know, tonight we are going to see the 80th van running Vantastic on Shorty. 80. That's an 8 and a 0.
Fair enough, NZ. Let's have a look at the first van on the grid. The builder is Golden Owl Racing. Grey Wizards behind the wheel, and this is spaced out Spoiler Sport.
Next up, we've got the Bug and Salt, and this is owned, built and driven by Variant Skunkworks, so he should know this van inside out. Good luck tonight, mate.
Up the back on the inside, the builder is BEAVERWORX. This one's weighing 91 grams. The driver's BEAVERWORX, and this is called HOTMATCH. Good luck.
Hey, once again, we welcome back Power Drive Racing. He's got another Johnny Lightning van called RHONDA. And he's got Top Jimmy. Not bad. Top Jimmy's going to be driving tonight.
And Power Drive Racing really dominating this track. He has 8 entries into this competition, and they all have BLACKFIRE tyres.
Yeah, which means the other 3 vans should work together to actually have a chance against Top Jimmy. 2 spots in the semis, it's going to be either go hard or go home.
Here are the final scores. A very difficult race tonight, and everyone just wanting that position heading into the semi-finals.
You know what? If any van deserves a spot in the semis, it's this one. Golden Owl Racing and their driver Grey Wizard really put on an exciting show tonight. Congratulations, guys. Well done.
And congratulations again to Power Drive Racing with Top Jimmy behind the wheel and another van that has BLACKFIRE tyres. You're off to the semis. NZ Racing, what are your thoughts on tonight? Let's get stuck into this race review.
Yeah, Grey Wizard, he led right from the start and Top Jimmy was fighting his way through but with no luck. Some skillful driving there in reverse by the Wizard. Saw him stay in front and actually grabbed the 4 points.
That's the key to success around here, getting that first 4-pointer up early. Let's head into race 2 and check that out, NZ.
Well, that was an interesting tactic by Variant Skunkworks there. He did a reverse drift, slowed everyone down in turn 1, and then just took off. Oh, BEAVERWORKS, he floored it and was right on his bumper all the way to the finish line.
Yeah, I really enjoyed that tactic, and look at the merger working hard. 400 grams of van slamming into it.
This race, I think, was all about Grey Wizard. Started in 4th, he was first to turn 1, and when he came out, he was loose on 2 wheels, bouncing all over the show, and I thought, he's done for. Round turn 2, stomped on the gas pedal, and he won by 5 or 6 van lengths.
He saw the gap and just took the win, and look at Top Jimmy just crawling across that line. Let's head into the last.
Well, Top Jimmy and the Grey Wizard are still discussing about what happened in race 3 by the looks, and unfortunately for BEAVERWORKS, he's been caught up in the traffic jam and comes in for a slow 4th.
It's unfortunate when there's a lot of traffic out of turn 1, and this is what happens. Some of the best cars just get stuck and unable to get that first, second position, which really is where the points are.
Hey, Variant Skunkworks, mate. 2 wins, well done, but 2 DNFs. That's what held you back. You were so close in points. And BEAVERWORKS, what do you reckon? Throw the HOTMATCH van down your track and see how far it can jump.
Thank you for your kind words of wisdom there, NZ. Until next time, we got the last heat coming up, which is Heat 21. This will be up in a few days. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.